Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So as you saw from the title, I'm really excited to announce that I'm going to be doing a video with part of the Colourpop Villains collection. The Ursula collection set. Isn't this packaging absolutely stunning? Thank you to my dad. He got me this for Easter, so really excited about it. When I was younger, we used to watch Little Mermaid all the time, and he used to sing me the Part of Your World song all the time. So yeah, I think that's why he got me the Ursula one. But that's what the outer packaging looks like. So this is the Ursula collection set. It's got a luxe lipstick that's matte in the shade Ursula, a Poor Unfortunate Souls Super Shock highlighter, and a Sad But True ultra glossy lip. So right now I do have the ultra glossy lip on. It's just like a clear, here's what it looks like on the inside. And this is the ultra glossy lip down here. It's just like a kind of clear lip gloss that has like blue, purple, and green like glitter reflex in it. It's like really smooth, so you don't feel like the crunchy of the glitterness. It's not like crunchy glitter. It's just like it just feels smooth. So that's it right there. That's the highlighter, which has the same packaging as the outside, and there's the lipsticks. So cute. This is what the packaging of the ultra glossy lip looks like, and it's in the shade Sad But True. Looks stunning. And here's the packaging for the lipstick. Very cute. So they picked like 4 villains, I believe, and decided to do a collection with them, like lipsticks, highlighters, and things like that. The shade looks like, she's stunning, and it actually says like villains here. I don't know if you guys can actually like read that on the lipstick, but it says villains on it. And it's a really pretty like burgundy red shade. Not the best swatch, but I didn't want to mess it up really, but that's what it looks like. It's a really dark red, and that is the gloss swatched next to it. Very stunning. And here is the highlighter. So cute. This packaging is like my favorite. So on the back it says Ursula, but the shade is Poor Unfortunate Souls, and it is a Super Shock highlighter. It is a like very stunning like purple shade. Ain't she cute? Love that. And that's what it looks like swatched. I'm hoping you guys can see these swatches well. I'm not like a pro at swatching, but this is what everything looks like. So I actually kind of want to see what the gloss looks like on top of the lipstick. Cute, just adds a little bit of reflectiveness to it. I added a lot, of course, but I just wanted to see what it would look like. I guess if I kind of like mix them together and sheer it out, it just kind of makes it glossy with like a little bit of a glitter sheen to it. So on just my bare skin, I'm going to take the highlighter and apply it to the face. You just want to add like a little bit of glow without putting foundation on, you can definitely do that either with a powder or a liquid highlighter. So with their highlighter formula, it's kind of like almost like feels wet, so it's kind of hard to pick up with a brush. So normally you kind of want to use your finger, but if you just use your brush, you can see that it's on there, but it's just really light. But if you go in with your finger, it makes it a little more intense. I'm hoping this is showing up on camera to you guys. I think it's absolutely stunning. I think it would look good with or without makeup on. So I just wiped off the gloss, and I wanted to go in with the lipstick so that you can see the gloss by itself, now the lipstick by itself, and then I'm going to add the gloss on top. Seems like a very gorgeous color. Like I said, it's like a burgundy dark red, but she looks stunning. So I put a little bit of the gloss on my hand, and I'm just going to take it with a lip brush and apply it to the lips. So just having it on the bottom lip, you can tell that it makes it look more glossy and shiny, cute, versus the top where it's just the matte color. Cute. Well, I definitely like all three of the products that I got in this collection. They're so cute. Thank you, Dad, for getting them for me. I'll definitely be using them more in the future and future videos, but I'm definitely going to put that gloss in my purse so that I can have it to use all the time. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to put this stuff in my rotation and use it more. I've tried their Ultra Glossy Lip before, and I've loved it. I've tried their Super Shock highlighters before, and I like them, but this is my first time trying out the Luxe lipsticks. This is a matte one. This is probably the one kind that I would go for, and the color too. So this is my first time trying that formula, but it seems pretty good so far. The only problem that you may have with this dark of a shade is that you'd have to apply it a couple times to make sure that it's not like patchy, but I didn't really have that much of an issue with it. But with darker colors, that's the only thing that I would think you would have trouble with. And make sure you put like the gloss on your hand, or like somewhere like a glass palette or something like that, to where you can like use a lip brush so that you're not like putting your actual brush from your lip gloss back in your tube, so that that color from the lipstick doesn't get in there. Unless you want it to, if you're going to be mixing these together a lot, then it won't matter. But yeah, so I like everything so far. Thank you so much for getting it for me. And who's your favorite Disney villain or princess or prince or whatever the case may be? Or who's your favorite character from Disney? Definitely comment that down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.